stranded or solid Ethernet cable, which one should you use? If you pick the wrong one, your network might not last as long as you hope. Let's break it down, and do it fast. First, stranded cable. It's flexible, really bendy. That's because it's made of multiple small copper strands twisted together. This makes it perfect for things like patch cables that connect your computer to the wall, for setting up your desk, and for any situation where the cable might get moved around frequently. Now, solid cable. This one uses a single, solid copper wire for each conductor. It's much stiffer, but that stiffness makes it more stable over long distances. It's the best choice for permanent installations, like running cables inside walls, through ceilings, or across a building. So here's a quick rule to remember. If the cable is going to be moving, use stranded. If it's a permanent installation that won't be touched, go with solid. Follow us for more simple cable explanations just like this one.